Hey guys, today I'm going to explain the sum product in Excel. What actually sum product will do and how it will works we'll see. So let's get into the video. Okay, the basically sum product is a sum of products total value. It will like a multiplications and addition, subtraction. It will do like this. Okay, so I'll explain you. First, sum product is equal sum product. Select the price, comma, again the quantity, close the bracket, enter. So what is the value? 4960. So it is by default it is multiplied. Okay, so I'll explain you. Is equal to quantity into price. So again calculate the sum value. What is exactly? See, when you calculate like with the sum, and first we need to multiplication and then you need to apply the sum value. So sum product is will give the directly total value. So we'll see the now addition is equal to sum product plus total quantity, close the bracket, enter. See, because plus quantity, again calculate, same value it is coming. So we'll see the subtraction. Okay, sum product minus enter. So same, minus this value quantity and control shift down and control D, sorry, again close the bracket, enter. See, so this is the how we will get the values. Let's try the division. Is equal to divided by this sum 31, right? So again sum product divided by, close the bracket, enter. So this is the how will helpful to the multiple ways this formula. So thanks for watching.